Hi, this is Chen, and I'm the owner of the Lightning Gravity Gaming Company. And I'm trying to teach you how to modeling asymmetrically, um, plus merge border edge properly and stuff like those, and something else like those as well. This is what I meant by symmetrical modeling. Like kind of like this one, this reflection kind of thing. We'll have to create a hole or something. Else it won't be modeling properly. And remember to UV map it properly like those. Things like this. Uh, yeah, like this one, UV map everything properly. And go to layout, something like those. Um, First I'm going to teach you one of the shape first to how to see the model. So far the pivot point is down here. But it's supposed to be down here too. You have to remember, you have to be zero everything out so it will reflect it down here. So we can move the crusher if we by accidentally down here instead without selecting the object or something. And object, snap, crusher, toward origin. This thing is called crusher. Then you select this object within the object mode. Then object, set origin to 3D crusher, so let's move it down here, the right, the exactly same spot with the crusher. So now the pivot point is same thing down here. Before it was a yellow dot. So now I can do reflection now after finish tile mapping all squares as even as I can. Uh, uh, so so you duplicate evenly if the pivot point 0, 0 axis down here is the location, then object, duplicate object, just zero everything down here. Remember that this thing have a hidden tab down here only once if you click something else or do something else. Then can resize this. Stay at -1. Yeah, and make sure that this one normals are the same. Where with the edit mode, select all faces, normals. Yeah, so far it's okay. It's facing outwards when you're reflecting it. Um, Same thing down here, I guess. It should be. Oops. Yeah, see? Well, I can unhide it, the normals. It's like see the color inside out or something like those. See what direction it's going to. Now you finish that one. Um, Object mode. Select this one, like the second one. Then select the first one, like bottom to top kind of thing with those. And after object join, so it can connect each other or something like this. And then after see the front view, and then after edit mode in the vertex, you you see that this vertex is not is separated. It's not merged it together. Yeah, it's not merged together. Yeah, I see it's not merged together or something. So Control Z to go back. So I have to merge it all together. By by doing like always doing wireframes to highlight everything through it, the object. Um, then mesh. Oh, vertex. Don't merge vertex to center, or else it does this. So Control C to go back. Vertex merge by distance, and you see the extra vertices down there will be it will minus some vertex like extra vertex that are not supposed to be there, and you see we move 32 vertices, so then it's all connected. That's called merge border edge. And that's not basically it yet. Make sure your transformation and rotation is all zero, and scale as well, all zeros. And scale should be all ones. So click the object within the object mode and click apply orientation and scale like that, like this, and transformation as well. That we set everything to zero. So it's proper like exporting FBX file into like those game engine and stuff like those, and a bit of proper way of animation and films as well. So it won't get confused which rotation is 0, 0. Just zero down everything to center usually. Yeah. I think that's around basically it, but I have to repeat this process with this shape as well, this wing to reflecting that side. I think I'm basically done. The reason that why I want to UV map it first, so you can just reflect it and it's just easily done. It doesn't matter which left and right, it's the same color, I guess. Yeah, I think I'm finished. Yeah, see ya.